marriage, bride kidnapping, gender-based violence. So today I would like to share my experience that I have working on the project connected with sexual health and rights, and it's a great pleasure for me to be here today. Thank you very much. A future, for example, girls by working on the projects, they can improve and develop themselves in all spheres. And here I would like to highlight that, for example, in our organization we have this kind of experience when girls they start from volunteering, and after some time they become coordinators of projects, and even some girls they could in many other countries, like giving sexual education to girls. It is a big problem, but here I don't want to say that only religion or lifestyle or maybe culture of my country is the main source of early marriage, and it's a really difficult question where you and me and like all the participants of this conference, we should gather our experience and work out on the program.